Hey Visioneers, tired of crazy roaming charges while traveling? In this video, I'm showing you how to buy and install eSIMX, one of the easiest travel eSIMs in 2025, and get connected in minutes. Whether you're heading to Europe, Africa, or Asia, this guide will help you stay online affordably and stress-free. Let's dive in. What is eSIMX? eSIMX is a travel eSIM provider offering global data plans in 160 plus countries. No physical SIM cards, no passport upload, no hassle. You simply buy a plan, scan the QR code, and boom, internet on the go. It's perfect for iPhone and most newer Android phones, and their plans start as low as $2.50. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.esimx.com, or you can just click the link in the video description below. This is the official site where you can browse all the available eSIM plans by country, region, or global coverage. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore. You'll see categories like popular destinations, e.g. France, Thailand, USA, Nigeria. Regional bundles, e.g. Europe 30 countries, Asia Pacific, Africa, and even global eSIMs for those hopping across continents. If you're not sure which plan is right for your trip, you can use their eSIM Finder tool to input your destination and travel dates. It will recommend the best options automatically. Bookmark the site on your phone or laptop for easy access later if you want to reload or top up your plan. Choose your country or region plan. Once you've located your destination, now comes the fun part, choosing your data plan. Let's say you're flying to France. Click on the France eSIM and you'll see several options like 1 GB for 7 days, $4.50, 3 GB for 15 days, $9.99, 5 GB for 30 days, $14.90, and so on. Every plan clearly shows validity, duration, data allowance, network compatibility, and whether it includes 5G support or not. If you're traveling to multiple countries, consider a regional or global eSIM. For example, the Europe plan covers up to 30 countries with one eSIM. Once you find the right plan, hit buy now or add to cart and proceed to the next step. If you're not sure how much data you'll need, start with the smaller plan. You can always top up later. Now let's move to checkout. This part is super simple and there's no ID or passport required. First, enter a valid email address. This is very important because your QR code and setup instructions will be sent to this email. So double check for typos. Then select your payment method. You can use credit or debit card, PayPal, sometimes Apple Pay or Google Pay, depending on your region. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll see a thank you screen and a confirmation email will land in your inbox within a few minutes. Inside that email, you'll find your unique QR code, setup guide, plan activation details, and customer support info. Now that you've got your QR code, let's install your new eSIM on your phone. For iPhone users, use your camera to scan the QR code from your email. Your phone will download and install the eSIM in seconds. For Android users, Pixel, Samsung, etc. Scan the QR code from your email, follow the prompts to install and name the eSIMs. Enable mobile data and turn on data roaming. Note: make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi while installing the eSIM. Within a few seconds, your phone should connect to a local 4G or 5G network and you'll be online. Test it by opening YouTube or Google Maps and voila, you're ready to travel smarter. Final quick checklist. Installed your eSIM before leaving home? Great. Data roaming is on for eSIMX? Perfect. You've disabled mobile data on your primary SIM? Smart move. You're connected to a local network abroad? Welcome online. Turn off your home SIM's data to avoid roaming charges. Use Wi-Fi to install your eSIM before traveling. You can top up or switch plans on the eSIMX website anytime, and that's it. Now you know how to buy and install eSIMX in under 10 minutes. Easy, fast, and travel-friendly world globe mobile phone. Whether you're chasing sunsets, building your dream business on the go, or just exploring new cultures, and staying connected should never slow you down. You've got this. Keep going, keep growing, and travel smarter every step of the way. Ready to try it? Click the link below to book your plan and stay connected wherever you go. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more step-by-step tech and travel tutorials from Augusta Vision, your guide to smarter, simpler digital living.